Hey everyone, Superman Florida here. I'm over here at the Highlands County landfill where they have a model airplane club. I was invited by my neighbor to come over and check out their field. They've got a lot of birds in the area and some other birds that are going to be flying. There's my neighbor, Ron. I'll put the link to the description of their club in the field below. But I thought maybe y'all would like to see what's going on here. My buddy. How you doing, buddy? Ultra stick. Bouncy daisy.
Yeah. It's a good place to run. You just rip on it.
Started giving me a warning for something.
Oh, okay.
Well, guys, you saw 2 aircraft fly. Unfortunately, we've got a really bad storm heading in our way, so we got to pack it up. I only got 1 flight in. They'll come back eventually to come and visit. And Ron was only able to get 1 flight in, had battery issues. So again, I'll put a link for their flight field and the link for their the description of their club down below, so you can follow it, and you can maybe join if you like. It's a great field to join. It's out in the middle of a dump, as you can see behind us. So and the field's really open, but with that storm coming in right now, it's not a good time to fly. So if you could spread the video around, like and share, be greatly appreciated. Superman Florida out.